Hello, in lesson number 1 about LocalStack manager in JavaFX. I've created a simple project in JavaFX basics. I use Maven for that. So that's the project. I removed basically everything from it. So what I have is just one class LocalStack manager app and main method. So nothing fancy is happening now. We're going to add some Java code to change that one into JavaFX app. So first step that we have to do is to extend our class with application from JavaFX application, and we should import method. We will import method start. So that is our magical method. And in main method, we're going to use launch method. Let's see what's happening now. Nothing fancy, as we can see, because in the start method we have to actually define the stage, scene, and all the stuff that is required for JavaFX apps to start. So let's create parent first. Parent is imported from JavaFX scene package. Let's call it parent, and that will be fxml loader, sorry, and we call the method load on it. And here in resources, let me just delete everything from here. Delete. Let's create new directory fxml. We call it fxml, and here we're going to add new fxml file. We will name it main. Main. So we don't need controller yet. Let's leave it like that. So basically in that load method, we want to load that fxml. So what we have to do is to get the class and get the resource for that class. And here in the resource, we have to pass the path to that main fxml file, starting from resources, because we are here in the resource. So we're passing fxml, and main fxml. That should be enough. Hopefully it's fine. Let's see. Let's create a scene. Scene is a new scene, and as a parent we will pass our parent and the size, width and height, and we'll create those variables here. Private static final and width, which will be size in the pixels, so width in pixels, and height. Let's use the classic sizes. And now for the stage, we have the stage here as a param. Stage. We have to set the scene for that stage, which will be actually scene and stage. We have to show that stage. So stage and scene is quite confusing sometimes. So imagine the stage, if you're in a theater, imagine the stage is like that wooden kind of floor when everything is happening, and scene during one kind of act. You have many scenes, for example, and the people that working in a theater, they changing the scene, right? Once the scene can be, for example, a castle, and next scene can be like forest or something like that. So, and everything is happening on the stage, right? So they're changing the scenes on the stage. So imagine our window is like a scene as well. So let's run the app. Hopefully we can see the window. Yep, that's our window. 1024 by 768. Maybe we can change the size a little bit. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So width will be 1920. Yeah, so 1920 is basically the full screen now for me. I'm using 30-inch MacBook Pro M3 and 768. Do we need more? Maybe for now we'll stick with that one. We'll see later if we have to adjust. Here we have some warning. So we should like object required non-null, because that sometimes can be null. So Java is complaining here. So yeah, but that's basically it. We have our basic stage and scene, and now we can add all the elements. So see you in the next lesson.